Alrighty guys, here it is. It's all done. So on this one we did the window tint. It has some stripes going across. We've removed them. We installed the backup camera system on this one as well. The camera is right up on top. We also did a camera on the rear. We did another camera here on the side. The window tint, like I said. And today we did a dash camera install. For safety, got a dash camera. It's gonna help him just in case anything happens. This is the camera system setup, so you can see all the different angles through the screen here. Yep, there it is. If you guys need any your big rigs done, let us know. We can help you guys out here at T's Garage in Corona. Let's go.